11. The Search. Ralph wanted to find an aspirin. Ralph's mother told him to be careful. Ralph explored the hotel. He looked in many rooms. He looked under beds. Ralph could not find an aspirin. Ralph saw something. He stopped. A woman covered him with a glass. Ralph was trapped. The woman was a teacher. She wanted to keep him and take him to her school. He would make a good class pet. The teacher decided to let Ralph go. She did not want him in the hotel. She put him out the window. Ralph hung on a vine. Ralph felt scared.